Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by preserving your data because removing Android encryption usually requires a factory reset. First, check settings security to confirm the phone is encrypted. Next, back up everything: Google account sync, photos to cloud, and an ADB or external storage copy for apps and files. Make sure the battery is above 50% and stay on Wi-Fi. Once done, remove any SIM or SD, if desired, and temporarily disable the PIN or fingerprint, so the reset process is smoother and avoids lock conflicts. Now perform the action that actually removes encryption, a factory reset. From Settings, go to System, Reset Options, and choose Erase All Data. Confirm and let the device wipe. If the screen is inaccessible, boot to recovery with the correct power and volume key combo, then select Wipe Data/Factory Reset. This erases the encrypted data and reforms an unencrypted data partition. Make sure you do not cut power during formatting. Interruptions can corrupt storage and cause a non-booting phone. After the reset, set up the phone like new. Sign into your Google account and selectively restore data from backups. Once apps and accounts are in place, verify settings security to confirm the device is no longer encrypted. Make sure to reconfigure a secure lock screen after verifying everything. If the phone fails to boot or behaves oddly, boot to recovery and wipe cache, and if needed, reflash the stock firmware with the manufacturer's tool. That troubleshooting tip resolves most corruption-related failures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.